I'd like to ask you a question. Do you own a smartphone that you frequently use? Yes is most likely the answer. If that's the case, you can begin earning money online right now, even if you've never done so before. This is also possible without spending any money because it is entirely free. This is Dark Money Secrets, and today I'm going to teach you how you can earn money by using these applications. If you like this video, drop your comments down below, hit like and subscribe to our channel for more content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss out. All you have to do is download the applications I'll show you, do nothing, and wait for money to come in. Today we'll look at 3 different apps that can help you earn money through passive income. And all you have to do to make this work is follow through with this step-by-step instruction until the conclusion. By then, you'll be able to make money using only your smartphone. Userfeel.com. This is an app that I'm sure many of you were unaware of until recently. But first and foremost, what is Userfeel.com? Userfeel is a premium app that allows you to test numerous apps and websites. Companies from all around the world will need someone to test their apps in order to uncover any bugs or difficulties, and this is where Userfeel.com comes in. Companies will pay Userfeel.com, which in turn will pay people like us to conduct the testing. As a result, you get compensated. That's all there is to it. As you might expect, such testing does not necessitate any specific knowledge, skills, or expertise. That is why this is the first app I'm going to show you today. If you've never made money online before, this is a wonderful place to start. In addition, this is a very popular software with hundreds of thousands of testers from across the world. This works in most nations, and it will most certainly work in yours as well. And this is undoubtedly one of the app's best features. They also have hundreds of satisfied customers, some of whom are listed below, including some extremely large corporations that I'm sure some of you will recognize right away. You can also get a lot of information about this program, including its features. Userfeel is a multilingual user testing and usability tool. Any website can be tested in any language. More than 130,000 testers in 40 languages make up our panel. I imagine this attracts a large number of clients to this app because having testers from all over the world means that even if the site or app isn't in English, it can be tested without difficulty. We can see some information on the testers themselves here, so it's certainly useful to us. Test on a computer, a smartphone, or a tablet. We can test websites or applications on Android, iPhone, or iPad using both our software and an external camera. That is why, as I mentioned in the introduction, you can do it all with your smartphone. Of course, the final decision is yours. However, the fact that this can be done on a smartphone is a huge plus because you don't need to be at home to test the apps. All you need is a phone or a tablet. You can see that you can receive your findings quickly down here, as well as some further information about the app that I won't go into detail because it's useless to us. Instead, scroll down and select Tester Frequently Asked Questions from the drop-down menu. And it will take you to this page where you can see that you can earn $10 for each test that takes between 10 and 20 minutes. In other words, you can earn $10 in as little as 10 minutes and as much as 20 minutes. That is not a tiny sum of money, especially considering that you don't need any talents to do it. When you first arrive on this page, I strongly advise you to read everything. To begin, one of Userfeel's best features is that you don't have to pay for anything, as stated here. You will, however, require a Windows or Mac computer as well as a microphone. You don't even need to buy a microphone if you have a laptop because it already has one built in. However, if you already have one or need to get one, you don't need anything too pricey. It says right here that it can be as low as $2. You won't have to use your real name when taking an exam, so don't be concerned. The qualification test is extremely crucial to mention because you won't be allowed to begin testing straight away. However, this certification just confirms that you have a microphone and can perform a variety of functions. It's not overly complicated once again. The last point to highlight is how you will be compensated. You are compensated by PayPal or Amazon gift cards, as you can see. And based on some of your comments, I know that some of you want apps that accept payments other than cryptocurrencies. PayPal is without a doubt an option with this app. To get started with the user feel, simply scroll down below, click Become a Tester, and fill out the form to begin earning money. Honeygain.com. Moving on to the second app on our list, Honeygain.com. Honeygain is a great method to make money online while being at home. This app differs from the previous one in that it allows you to earn money by sharing your internet connection. Don't worry, your safety isn't jeopardized in any way. And as you can see, Honeygain is completely safe. It ensures that only trusted partners use your internet traffic, and the program never asks for or acquires access to your device's storage. This means that they won't steal your information, and your internet traffic will only be utilized by those you know. You can learn more about this by clicking right here. You can watch how Honeygain works in the video down below. To put it another way, it makes the internet more accessible to other people. As a result, you get compensated for your efforts. Now here are the 5 steps to Honeygain. The first thing you should do is install it. Then you run Honeygain. The program will collect data using your internet data, which will benefit other businesses, and then you will be rewarded. You can use PayPal or Bitcoin to do so. The last point worth mentioning about this app is that it does not pay a large sum of money, and the amount of money you earn is mostly determined by your internet connection speed. But like with the first app, I must emphasize that this is a passive revenue method, not an active one. You may simply leave Honeygain running and it will generate income for you. So in my view, when you don't have time to do anything, you should use both Honeygain and Userfeel. MoneyApp.org is the third app we'll be looking at today. This is one of the most highly rated apps of its kind I've ever seen. It's also accessible on the Google Play Store and the Apple App Store, as you can see. If you go to the software store, you will notice that not only does this app have a 4.9-star rating, but hundreds of thousands of individuals have given it that rating. So this just goes to show that this app can and will pay you. You will be compensated for performing various activities that they have to offer, which will earn you credits and then you can exchange it for cash. That's truly all there is to it. There's nothing complicated here. What do you guys think about this strategy? Will you be trying it out soon? As always, this channel is dedicated to bringing you fresh content to help you live the life you want through side hustles. Once again, this is Dark Money Secrets, and if you like the video, hit a like and subscribe to our channel. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything. That's it, and see you in the next video.